Aesop's Fables retold in modern language. Belling the cat. Once, the mice called a big meeting to solve a big problem, the cat. "She's always sneaking around," said one mouse. "We need to figure out when she's coming so we can escape in time." The mice agreed. They were so scared of the cat's claws that they hardly left their holes, even at night. They discussed many ideas, but none seemed to work. Then, a young mouse stood up and said confidently, "I have an idea. It's simple and will definitely work. Let's hang a bell around the cat's neck. Then, when we hear the bell, we'll know she's nearby and can run away." The other mice cheered. "What a smart idea," they said. But just as they started celebrating, an older, wiser mouse spoke up. "This is a clever plan," he said, "but who's going to put the bell on the cat?" The mice all fell silent. They realized it was easy to make a plan, but doing it was much harder. The moral of the story: it's one thing to say something should be done, but another to actually do it. The end. If you liked it, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.